Welcome to the RC Ultimate Championship, where speed meets raw power. Representing the heavy hitters, the Green Machine is looking for an upset today.
It may be compact, but its youthful spirit is unmatched on this terrain.
The competition is fierce, and the track is unforgiving.
And they're off.
Look at that acceleration from the bulldozer. They clear turn one, navigating around the heavy equipment.
Defensive driving early on as the bulldozer protects the inner lane.
The Green Machine is drafting, using the lead truck's slipstream to save battery.
Here comes the Big Air.
Unbelievable! A bulldozer catching air.
Perfect form, maintaining balance even with those heavy tracks.
A rough landing, but the Green Machine stays in the race.
Collision. The orange tow truck is going to have some work to do after this.
The bulldozer threads the needle.
They are hitting record speeds now.
Those motors are pushed to the absolute limit.
It's making its own path where others would stall.
An incredible inside pass.
Entering the washboard section.
Look at that energy. It's like it was built for this. That's the look of a true champion.
Lap 2 is in the books and the order is shifting.
The leader is sliding out.
The Green Machine takes the point. The pressure is on. Can the bulldozer hold the lead?
The final major obstacle before the home stretch.
Side by side through the air.
Magnificent.
The bulldozer sticks the landing.
Powering through the muck.
The finish line is in sight, right past the orange crane.
It's a drag race to the end.
Everything is on the line now. I can't call it. It's too close.
The golden hour for a golden finish.
The photo finish will determine the victor.
They cross. What a finish! The Green Machine takes the championship. An epic victory for the smallest contender.